Hey, it's gonna be a really quick video on trying to fix a canopy. We have a little pop-up canopy where you can see this is broken. Same thing on the other side here. So I've been fighting with this for a few years. Usually, you see this other side, it's broken, kind of slides into this. Usually I forget about this until we're at some kind of a function and we have to set it up quickly, and I end up just zip tying it or something, and it lasts, and then I forget about it until next time. But we're setting it for a party at the house. The party's tomorrow afternoon, and so since I'm at home and I have some tools, I'm gonna try to see if I can fix this, or at least rig it more permanent than just trying to zip tie and strap it together with duct tape. What I'm gonna do is drill a hole here. I'm gonna push it together first and drill 2 holes, and then run a zip tie through the 2 holes to try to cinch this together and see if it survives setting up the rest of the tent. And then after I take it down, I'll see if it survives that as well. So I'll let you know. All right, so I've got a 3/16 inch bit, which is about the size of my biggest zip tie I have. So that's what I'm gonna use to make the holes. And again, I've just pushed this together, and I'm just gonna drill a hole like right here and right there, and run the zip tie through it. All right, just did the first hole, and it went through pretty easy. Just took, I don't know, like 20 seconds. So gonna do the next hole now. So here's my 2 holes, so I'm just gonna pop it, whoop, sorry. There's the 2 holes, so I'm just gonna slide a zip tie in through one, coming back out through the bottom one, and just cinch that up as tight as I can. I mean, not as tight, but pretty tight. And then see if it lets me open and close without issues. All right, so there's the canopy. It's popped up. That's the spot where I had the zip tie. It's still in one piece. Canopy went up great by myself, no issues. So that definitely helped a lot. You know, it kept it together. So I think I was pretty confident that that would work. I think the big question now is how long will this last, especially with these, these holes are probably kind of sharp. So who knows how long it'll take for it to cut through that zip tie, but yeah, definitely the easiest it's been to set this up in a long time by having that zip tie there. So I will wait until we take this down, and if it goes down successfully without breaking the zip tie, then I think that'll be a success for now. But hopefully we'll see that happen. All right, this has been up a couple days. We had the party Saturday. It's Monday now, and still okay. You can see there's a little bit of rust going on there, so I don't know, maybe it's good to spray that with some paint or something. But I'm gonna take it down, see if it holds up. All right, so there it is. It survived folding up. I don't have a lot of faith in it surviving multiple folds and unfolds, but what I'll do is I'll probably keep a couple of zip ties in the bag with this, and if it breaks whenever I'm taking it apart next time, I'll just put a new one in, and at least it'll be easier to set up and stay together while it's up. And so this lasted 3 days. I think we set it up on Friday. It's Monday today, so not bad for a quick fix on this that hopefully get some more life, a few more years out of this canopy. So hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching.